I'm sure you've never prepared chicken this way. Let's start our recipe by cutting 500 grams of chicken breast into strips. Put them in a bowl. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and the juice of 1 lemon. You guys, the lemon juice will make our chicken more flavorsome. It'll taste delicious. Seasoning is to taste. Add your favorite ones. Put the chicken aside. In a pan, drizzle some oil. When warm, add 1 big sliced onion and pan fry it. Then remove it and set aside. In the same pan, drizzle some more oil and pan fry the chicken. The chicken needs to marinate. Mine has done it for 15 minutes. This way, it'll get more moist. When it turns golden, set aside. Now you can use another pan or remove the chicken and use the same one. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally send you a special hug. The butter is melted. Now add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix well. Now add 1 cup of orange juice. Sift it before to remove the orange bites. Mix well until the sauce starts to thicken. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love chicken." The sauce has thickened. Now add the onion and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Then add the chicken and some fine herbs. Mix well for 2 minutes and our recipe is done. And our chicken is ready. Easy and full of flavor. I hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.